everybody. So today we are going to learn science in Minecraft. Let's see what we have over here. We have material reducer, lab table, compound creator and element constructor. These will help us throughout our journey of our science learning. So let us start with the most simple one. This is very familiar, right? This is a microscope. Here you can see we have protons, electrons and neutrons. These will help us to create elements. So the first element is one proton, one electron. Then we get hydrogen. Let's go ahead and we got helium. You can do this to create any element. Lithium. Let me create something very big. You can see we have created molybdenum. Let's go with another one. Yay! We got rhodium. Look, these elements are so good. Now let's go on ahead. You saw that we can create elements. Now let us use the elements to create some compounds. I have some over here. There. Let us start creating our compounds. So for starting up, we are going to create the most known compound. 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen. What do you think it will be? It is water called H2O. Then we have sodium over here. Then we have chlorine. Chlorine has a symbol Cl. Then we have some salt. Salt is also called NaCl or sodium chloride. Now I take carbon. 10 carbon, 20 hydrogen. We get polyethylene. Polyethylene is a type of plastic which is used in many devices. Then we have hydrogen and oxygen. 3 hydrogen plus 2 oxygen plus 2 carbon and sodium is called sodium acetate. Now we have nitrogen and hydrogen. 1 nitrogen plus 3 hydrogen gives ammonia. Finally, we have carbon and hydrogen. These together make crude oil. Crude oil is a type of fuel. So it is made up of hydrogen carbon. I will make another fuel. This fuel is called benzene. You can see it is also made up of carbon and hydrogen. Finally, I will make rubber in this. You know, rubbers are used to make balloons. Yes. Let's go ahead. Now, we'll use our elements to create real life objects. Let us go ahead and create our use our elements in lab table. I have two objects over here which will be recreated. First, we have in the lab table, we have some sodium acetate. Now we don't put the whole stack over here. We need a specific amount. You see, if you do it correctly, then these animations will play. Let us put 4 in here. You can see that this animation is playing, that we have done it correctly. Let us combine and see what we get. Oh wow, we got an ice bomb. But what can it do? Let me try throwing it on water. Wow, it creates ice. Wow. So does this means with the power of science we have created ice? Yes. Let's go ahead and try to create. Now that we have created an ice bomb, let us see where can we see these elements around in our environments. You know that all the objects around us has some minerals in it. But what particularly minerals do we have in it? Let us see. This is the material reducer. The material reducer reduces any object to its elemental form. You see, I have sand, dirt, grass, and oak. Oak is a type of wood. Now let us put some sand in it. You can see our sand is made up of silicon and lots of oxygen. Now we have regular dirt. You can see regular dirt has so many minerals in it. Silicon, calcium, phosphorus, nitrogen, iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, and oxygen. Now you can see that some grass is grown on this block. This is regular dirt and some grass on it will eat up some of its element because grass needs minerals to grow. So carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus are only remain. Rest of the elements are used up by the grass. And let us finally put the oak log. You can see we have created carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. So oak log contains these elements in it. So that's it for today. In the next part, we'll learn what we can do with chemicals in real life and how chemicals are used in medicine. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.